What's going on, guys? Your boy Mark. It's been a while since I made a video. So I had a lot of stuff planned for the car, but I just got some coilovers. I was gonna make a video on it, but camera was dead because I hadn't charged it in a while. I hadn't been turned on in a while, so this is after the coilover installs. But yeah, got the coilovers installed, got Godspeeds. I'll show you guys what the coilovers look like. So I'm about to right now go return the shock. They're all the way in the back, but I'm about to go return the shocks back to Jerry. Lifesaver. He pretty much last minute, when my car broke down, he let me use his front shocks. So my car was kind of like this because it was low in the front and then, like, you know, the coilovers in the back. But finally got a new set of coilovers and I installed them with Tony's help and my dad's help. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it sits now. I lowered the rear a little more than what it was, and the front I just raised. It's probably the same height as last time. I'm about to go right now to Jerry's house and drop off the coilovers and do a little POV drive. Maybe do a little vlog since I haven't made a video in a while. Yeah, so I was also gonna put an exhaust pack on the Z. I got a lot of stuff planned for the Z. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but yeah, I got a lot of stuff planned for the Z. I want to put my exhaust pack on. I'm done with the stock. You can barely even hear my car. You can barely even hear my car. I want to get a front bumper. I'm done with the OEM. I want to get like a KBD. After the KBD, I'm going to get wheels. And then after the wheels, I'm going to find a wrap. I'm gonna buy a wrap and find someone who can wrap it, because I'm not gonna wrap it myself. Oh look, there's another 350Z, but it's convertible. How y'all feel about convertible Z's? Look, Type R, yup. How y'all feel about convertible Z's? Let me know in the comments. Way too quiet. I just downshifted. I ain't even hear nothing. Or I don't even know if you guys can even hear it. Well, I heard it, but yeah, I need to put my shit back on. So I'm at Jerry's house. Peep his Z. He tracks it. Oh, yup. Oh, yup. That is work wheels. That a tome da. Bumper cut. I want to go see that. So these are the shocks that I had on the front. Shout out to Jerry. But yup, this is what I had on. Alright, so went to Lake Herman just to go on a drive, and like, nice view, got some water, boats. I'm gonna go see it out, check it out. I just pulled over on the side, about to take a picture and whatnot. Looks so nice out there. It's nice and sunny over here on this side of town. Over there it's all foggy and stuff. Yeah, so let's see, about to take a picture. But yeah, I'm gonna get some control arms on the rear so I can zero out the camber. I'm gonna get a new front bumper, It looks so nice outside. All this little stuff on the side. This is my Z. Light up. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. I don't have my wind thing, protecting thing. Alright, so I'm currently across the street. Just taking pictures. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, because I don't got my wind foxtail thing, whatever it's called. But it's so nice outside. We got the coilovers on. I'll show you guys when I get back home what they look like. But yeah, they feel amazing out here. Going back home. And yeah, I'll show you guys the coilovers when I get home. Yeah, so nice outside today, so calm, nice and windy. I want to go to SF to go take a picture or a vlog out there, but I'm not going in SF because RIP clutch. Just got a new clutch too. All right, let's see. There's no cars coming. Oh. You guys hear the welded diff? There's Six Flags for those that are not in the Bay Area or in Cali. If you know where this is at, then if you know, you know. But yeah, Chick-fil-A right up here and all that. But I ain't going there. I'm going home. Alright, so it's currently what, like 2 days after the video that I made, but see, yeah, like 2 days after. Oh yeah, flexing out the little baby angle, just extended tie rods, inner tie rods. But yeah, this is what the coilovers look like. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Yeah, that's what the coilovers look like. All right, so I'm using my phone now because storage went out, so I'm gonna have to go buy another USB or whatever. But yeah, that's what the coilovers look like. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the little vlog, little update, and I'll see you guys Race Wars, which is today. I just didn't make my outro a couple days, or yesterday I didn't make my outro. I forgot to make the outro. So but yeah, this will be the outro, and tomorrow will be, or today will be Race Wars. Yep.
Oh, somebody, he needs some milk.